This is a killer recipe for some sweet chili wings. You're going to air fry them and make the sauce yourself to serve to your loved ones. This takes just a few of the right ingredients, and you're going to start with a half a cup of water into a bowl, a fourth a cup rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, a third of a cup brown or coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons garlic chili sauce, a fourth a teaspoon ground ginger, 3 cloves of garlic that have been minced, and a fourth a teaspoon xanthan gum. Whisk that well to combine and set aside for now. I'm going to use the whole wing in this recipe. You can cut them where the joints meet. So pat them dry with a paper towel and then add them to your bowl. Start with half a teaspoon onion powder, a fourth a teaspoon sea salt, a half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, half a teaspoon garlic powder, and 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, which is really going to help them crisp up nicely. Use your hand to mix and make sure that the baking powder is all over the chicken. I love using baking powder on chicken because it actually raises the pH balance of the skin, and that's going to give you a crispier, more evenly browned chicken. These are going to get air fried at 375 degrees for roughly 25 minutes or until an internal temperature reads 165 degrees, but in the middle of cooking time we're going to baste. Add your wing sauce to a pot and put it on medium-low on the stove. This is going to help reduce it and thicken it as well, and whisk it occasionally. This is how it should look when it's reduced a bit and more thick. In the middle of your cooking time, you're going to take out the air fryer basket and shake them up a bit, and you can also baste them to make sticky wings and to really incorporate that flavor well. Whenever you baste something that is still currently roasting, it's really going to help keep the chicken moist and juicy. They are finally done and super crispy and looking delicious. Add your wings to a deep casserole dish or a bowl so that you can mix them in that sauce and toss to coat well. I love this sweet chili sauce because you've got garlic, you've got chili, you've got sweet and spicy. That sauce is homemade and you can really tell the difference than any jarred kind that I've come across. Any of your bottled pre-made sweet chili sauce is also going to have a lot of sugar and sodium in it usually, so I love that we know exactly what's going into our dish here. I made sure this recipe was heavy on the sauce, so you're going to pour most of it on right now, mix it well to combine, and then you have a little bit reserved to drizzle on right before serving. I finished this meal by serving it with salad and then some Dijon mustard potatoes that were roasted. Roasted potatoes are always good on their own, and I ended up finishing these with more Dijon mustard and they were incredible. I'm definitely going to share that recipe soon, so y'all be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. The wings sat for about 5 minutes just marinating in that incredible sauce, and right before serving I went ahead and drizzled some more on top. I love to top mine with some freshness by using red and yellow mini bell peppers that are raw and chopped up. I finished them off with some sliced green onion and sesame seeds. This dish really looks incredible. It's vibrant, you have a lot of textures and flavor going on, and it tastes even better.
Those are great.
And that's coming from a picky eater husband. Thanks for watching. Y'all save this recipe so you have it on hand. You can also find me on Instagram and TikTok at Among the Wild Spices, where I have more cooking videos.